All right, guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feet. It's another Technique Tuesday to you, and the focus today is we're doing bachata, and we're adding our hip lift to our basic or any step. So let's try that together. I'm gonna mirror you guys first. So what we're gonna do is our side together, side tap, side together, side tap. Within this basic, if you've already learned it, it'll be easy. We're gonna add something called a hip lift. This is one styling option. So if you're a leader, if you're a follower, it doesn't matter, you can both do this. I'm just doing it from my perspective as a lady, of course, okay? So this is gonna happen when we tap our foot. So it doesn't matter which foot, 'cause we're gonna use both today. I want one standing leg, one free foot. Let's all try this. I want you to try to imagine this hip going up and then relaxing down. So you can see my hips changing up and down. So it's just going to the side and to the side. If we just have both feet down, you can see my hips naturally go to the side. But because one heel is off the floor, because that's the foot we're tapping, we're gonna keep that heel off the floor, so it's gonna actually lift instead of just go to the side, because we have different levels in our feet, okay? So let's try this. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Let's switch our feet. Let's try the same thing. Now it's gonna go up towards the free leg, relax down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Now let's add our side together side and tap, okay? Let's go with the right foot. Side together, side. As I tap, I'm gonna lift and release before I take the other side together. Side, lift, release. 1, 2, 3, up, down. 1, 2, 3, up, down. So naturally, we have to let our hip release before we take the step. Otherwise, it's gonna look really funky if we keep it lifted and then keep it trying to move. So it's just the up, up. So it's a little accent. Boop, boop. Okay, so hopefully that made some sense. You can do that on any single tap that you do in bachata, whether you're doing a turn, whether you're doing a forward step, a back step, doesn't matter. We can add this anywhere. And fellas, you can do it too. Have fun with this, and we'll see you again next Technique Tuesday. Bye.